Do you find yourself frequently browsing homes for sale online and driving by houses with lawn signs? Hi, I'm Janelle Stuckwish with Coldwell Banker, and if you answered yes to my previous question, that might mean that you're in the just looking phase of your new home search. If you're thinking about selling your home and moving to a new one, but haven't made the leap into the market just yet, now is a great time to get clear on your wants and needs for your new home. As you get closer to starting the process, you should begin to form a well-rounded idea of your wants and needs for that home. Budgeting is a tough task, and it can be even tougher when you're looking for your new home. What's an affordable payment? When beginning the pre-approval process, try to keep that in mind. In addition, knowing how much money you have for down payments or potential renovations will help guide where you should look at homes with more certainty of what they'll cost. Location is key when investing in real estate. Choose a location that has proven to have higher average returns on investment, and you'll be all set for the future of this unpredictable market. A handful of factors affect how much your property will sell for upon resale. These include, but are not limited to, neighborhood safety, size and square footage, number of bedrooms or bathrooms available per square foot, the bigger the better, proximity to public transportation options and commute time, nearby schools and their ratings, all things you should take into account before purchasing an area's most valuable commodity, real estate. And a few more thoughts to consider. How much closet space do you need? What are your long-term plans? Do you want outdoor space? And if so, how much? We posted a new blog that walks through 7 common and some uncommon features that should be on your radar if you're just looking. I've dropped the link in the post.